Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are making chicken minis. So in a bowl of buttermilk, add in bite-sized chicken bites, add in cayenne pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and then we're going to add in some pickle juice and we're going to just mix that all together. And then we're going to go ahead and drop some butter in at a low simmer to get that melting for honey butter. And then for the coating, we're going to do flour and then breadcrumbs. We're going to throw in the same seasonings again. So we're going to do cayenne pepper, the smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. So yeah, just going to keep doing that. Just want to make sure your chicken bites are well seasoned and have flavor to them. We're going to throw honey into that butter once it's melted and just keep it at a low simmer and keep a low stir on it as well. And then start putting the chicken bites into the flour coating and then let your chicken bites sit out for 10-15 minutes so they're room temperature and drop them to oil that's 375 degrees. And then while those are cooking, we're going to heat up the rolls. We're going to throw some of that honey butter on top of it. And I did it for 350 for about 5 to 7 minutes until I liked where they were at. And then we're going to start putting the chicken bites in. The chicken bites took only about 7-8 minutes to cook since they're a little bit smaller. We're going to throw some of that honey butter back on top of the chicken bites as well. Chicken minis, I guess, as well. Super easy meal. This is what they look like. Try it out yourself. Really good dinner. And like I said, super easy. Thank you.